Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing Lively Wedding Box. This is a premier subscription for brides. Where was this when I got married? Look at the box, how beautiful. It's like florally and gold and gorgeous. Alright, so they have a lot of subscription lengths. You can do a one-time box. I think it's $48. But if you want a subscription, it starts at $45 a month, and then the longer the subscription, the lower the cost. So I'm excited to see what's in here because when I opened it, it smelled really good. It smelled like flowers. So I was like, oh, what could it be? Oh. So you open it up and it is just gorgeous. It says, thank you for subscribing to Lively Wedding Box, the premier subscription box for brides. We are excited to help you put a little fun and relaxation into your wedding planning adventure. For real, because when you're planning a wedding, you are exhausted. You're mentally drained. You're physically drained. It's fun. It's happy work, but it's also, we put so much emphasis into these weddings. Whew, all right. We hope you enjoy your box. Be sure to share your box on social media, all that stuff. All right, then we've got refer a friend. So they have a referral code thing. And then we have this lists all of the items. We're not going to peek. I did see the first thing. That was all. All right, so here it is. All right. You can't really see what it says because it's got the little floaters in there. It says, pour the wine. His last name is mine. Oh my God. When am I going to a wedding? Do I have any weddings coming up? I really don't. I'm going to hang on to this though because I think this is really cute. Oh, I love too, like the metallic letters. They're really pretty. And it's like a stemless too. Isn't that neat? It's very neat. I like it so much. All right. That was actually the thing on the card I saw too. So getting that first was great. Oh, it's a bride-to-be sash. I have to hold on to all of this for when somebody gets married in my life. So I'm not going to take it out. Well, let's shoot. I'll pretend I'm the bride-to-be. I just wear this around my house, confuse my husband a lot. Here it is. Bride-to-be. There it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Perfect for a bachelorette party. This is a great, if you are a bridesmaid, get this for your bride or a maid of honor or whatnot, right? Ooh, a cake topper. Mr. and Mrs. This is actually really pretty. This is from Red Brick House Clothing. I wish I had one of these. I didn't though. And isn't it beautiful? Oh, gorgeous. Very pretty. These are really nice. So this is a very gold-driven ensemble. This is from Wild Haven Candles. Sentiments. Sex on the Beach. What is it? Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Oh my, I don't know if I should take it out yet because I don't take pictures. Don't. It's like a smelly, I don't know what to call it. There is sentiments, I guess. They're scented aroma beads. So it's not like you're not going to light this like a candle or anything. You're just going to hang it and it has like this, Sex on the Beach is like is that like a drink or something? I think it's a drink. It's like floral, not floral, fruity. And but there's something like wintry about it. I know it sounds silly, but it's true. And it looks like a wedding ring. I think that's so cool. That is awesome. These are fun. These are fun things to give the bride, I think. This is a great gift. Even if it's to yourself and you're the bride. Why not, right? All right. Okay. What's next here? Ooh, a little notebook. This is from Scratchy Pixel. It's an Etsy shop, and it says XOXO on the outside. This notebook belongs to blank. If found, please return to. Thank you. If you'd like to visit. It's just a lined notebook, so it's really cute. And it's great for when you're this is a good idea because when you're planning your wedding, you have a lot of details. You are should be keeping track of. You should probably actually have this giant planner that somebody's given you and said that you need to, you know, it's so overwhelming, all the stuff that you have to do. I loved my wedding. Ooh, but I'm glad it's over. All right, so here's Addie Rose Southern. These are druzy, like bronze. Look at them. Oh, I will take this. This is a nice like addition. I love that these are druzy. Druzy though are usually like pinks and purples, and you have to like kind of match them with your outfit, but these would go with everything. Oh, I love these. Oh, I love them. It almost looks like pyrite. I like those a lot. Okay, I think we're down to the last item. I'm thinking. Don't know what it is. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I still like this. I'm new enough married. I was married in 2015. I don't know if you guys know that. I don't know if you haven't been here that long. This is a Mrs. bag. Aww, isn't it pretty? And I just love the little floral print. It looks just like on the outside of the box. Let's look at our card and see if they tell us a little bit more about each of the items. So the wine glass is made by Lively Design Company. So this is made by this box. It retails for $17. The druzy earrings by Addie Rose Southern are $9. The journal is made by Scratchy Pixel, like we said, that retails for $9. The cake topper, made by Red Brick House, is $11. The sash is also made by Lively Wedding Box, $8. The canvas bag is made by Who Doesn't Want That? I think it's cute. It's $14. That's actually really the quality too. Sometimes I think I've said this just recently. I received another bag, sort of, you know, this sort of size and shape and fabric. Sometimes you get these and they're not like really high quality. They're just like this cloth. Like this is like a really nice canvas. It's nice. It's a good quality. This bag retails for $14. And then that's a car freshener. I'm like, did you love how I was struggling for words to call this something? That's $8. The total value for this box is $76. I think this is fantastic. I think this is the cutest thing ever. I love that they also use smaller companies, like, you know, handmade companies. You're not going to go out to whatever Party City, I don't know, whatever store and find these things. These are handmade. They're sometimes one of a kind, sometimes a few of a kind. And you're giving that, you know, it's so thoughtful. It's so cute. It's so nice. I just think it's really cute. I'm going to link down below to my full review. In the review, I will link to each of the companies included as well, so you can check them out. I'll also link to Lively Wedding Box down below so you guys can check them out. Let me know what you think of this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!